Trend PCD saw blades are designed to cut cleanly and quickly in hard abrasive materials, such as compact laminate. For simply cutting to length, the material is measured and marked, allowing an additional 3 mm for final trimming once cut. Compact laminates behave differently. Always cut the top surface face down, and always complete a test cut. Some chipping may be expected, dependent on the material composition. Trend saw blades, with a polycrystalline diamond tooth form, are incredibly durable, to allow fast clean cuts time after time. The cut edge needs to be trimmed. This can be achieved with a good quality TCT straight cutter. With a straight edge in position, the router speed needs to be reduced to get the perfect cutting performance. Make the trim cut at the full depth of the material, in a steady pass. The correct cutter speed is achieved when shavings are produced. For non-adjoining edges, finish with a small round, or chamfer. Worktop joints are made by setting the jig to a small inset, and taking a full depth cut, using the right-hand side of the guide track for the first cut, and perform a second skim cut, using the left side of the guide track, to leave a premium finish. The male joint is cut in the same way, using a 2-pass process, for a premium finish. The bolt recesses are made in a series of passes, until the correct depth is achieved, followed by a series of biscuit slots to align the joint surface flush. The joint is assembled, following the manufacturer's guidelines, to achieve a professional, invisible joint.